Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. So my dear student, let us start our class. Dear student, today is our lecture number 21 of half yearly and today's HW number will be 15, and my dear student, today's topic's name is multiplication part 1. Dear student, multiplication which is so easy for us because we have already learned the times table. If you know the times table correctly, then it is easier for you to solve multiplications problem. Okay my dear student, let us start our class. Here notice today's topics is multiplication part 1. 3 problems are given, 1, 2 and 3. This 3 problem is solved in our class as your CW, and another 3 problem, that means question number 4, 5 and 6 will be your HW, and this is HW number 15. So my dear student, let us start our class. Our first question is 43 multiplied by 2. I repeat, 43 multiplied by 2. Dear student, we multiply 43 by 2. So here you notice 4 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. So at first we multiply this 2 by this 3 by 2, and then we multiply this 4 by 2. Okay. Now notice 2 3s are hot, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. So we write here 6. Next 4 2s are hot, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Okay my dear student, and 86 is the answer. Okay, as our solution is done, you must write answer. If you don't write answer, then some marks is deducted from your answer script. Okay, so next question, question number 2. Here you notice 32 is multiplied by 3. So 2 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place. So first we multiply this 2 by 3, then we multiply this 3 by 3. Notice now we multiply 3 by 2 first. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So as we multiply these two number and we get 6, then we write 6 is in ones place. Okay, next one. Next we multiply 3 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So we write 9 here. If we multiply 32 by 3, then we get 96, and it is the answer. As our solution is done, so we must write answer here. Okay. Okay dear student, our next question. Notice here 14 multiplied by 2. So now we count the times table of 2 first. Okay, here we multiply 4 by 2, then we multiply 1 by 2. So if we multiply 4 by 2, then we get 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So we write this 8 here, and 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So we write here 2. So if we multiply 14 by 2, then we get 28, and it is the answer of this question. I hope you have understood. Dear student, please notice 4 5 6 number multiplication, but you notice this is 18 multiplied by 4, this is 14 multiplied by 5, this is 28 multiplied by 2. This is carrying multiplication. Okay, from this 3 multiplication, the first one is solved by your Ashis sir. Okay, so here notice 18 multiplied by 4. I repeat, 18 multiplied by 4. Here 8 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. So we multiply 8 by 4 first, then we multiply 1 by 4. Okay, so at first we multiply 8 by 4 first. So notice we count times table 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, and 4 8s are hot, 4 8s are 38, 32. So from this 32, I write here 2. This 2 is placed here. Notice carrying hot, carrying number 3. Now we multiply this 4 with 1, 4 1s are 4, and that carrying 1 is added with that 4. and 4 plus 3 it is 7. So 72 is the answer. Just like the question number 4, you must solve question number 5 and 6. Here 14 multiply by 5. So at first you multiply this 4 by 5, then you multiply by 1 by 5. Okay. 28 multiply by 2. First you multiply 8 by 2, then you multiply 2 by 2 and you get the answer. Okay. Dear student, you must do your assign SW regularly in your SW copy, and you must submit it in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.